So very good afternoon and welcome back. So we are discussing about the marine landforms. In the marine landforms, I said that because of deposition, we'll have the formation of sea beach. We have the also deposits of the sand, and we have sandbar formation, spit or hook formation. Let us see certain things here. How these sandbar and all these things they develop, as all of us were well aware. Look at here. I told you because of the wave action. See here, we have formation of cave in these regions. I have just said these things earlier. Kloof, then you have cliff. How this type of gradually it was earlier, formerly it was up to this part, okay, this got eroded and subsequently it moved up to from here to here. ये यहाँ पे था, इस region से यहाँ तक हुआ, यहाँ से भी presently it is now at to this part. Gradually it moved. Cliff, retreating cliff is there. Cliff is retreating here because of collapsing. ये हो सकता है. वेव कट प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप कर सकते हैं. एज आई हैव गिवन हियर. आई होप यू विल गेट दिस थिंग्स. आपको तो ये समझ में ही आ गया होगा. ओके, नाउ हाउ एंड व्हाट एस्पेक्ट इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद दिस, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू दैट द वेव, सी वेव स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो हैज ए ग्रेटर इम्पैक्ट ऑन दिस. कैन लुक एट दिस हियर. आई विल से, यहाँ पे देखिए आप, हियर यू सी when the wave moves here, swash and backwash. See, swash is advancing one. You see here, wave while it goes like this. मैंने आपको कहा था, wave moves in this way. Again, the returning wave is here, and in which you have this advancing wave. Then you have crashing of this breaking wave. That is, breaking wave gains the height, and that's why we have here cavitation also, or hydraulic action. This is what in the last class which we have done, in the prior session, I told you about hydraulic action. So यहाँ पे अगर ये hydraulic action होता है या जो भी है cavitation, so इसका जो sand है वो जाएगा कि नहीं इधर. The sand will get gradually drifted away. इधर जाएगी फिर इधर आएगी, है ना. We have backwash and swash and backwash. You have advancing and retreating wave. You will have like this. So in this way there is different depositional landform also they will form. They will form different type of landform also. These are here. Let us now look at one more point. If this is like this, let us see one more point here. Look at. ये आपको शायद समझ में आ गया कि how the wave impact the coastal part. You should get that how the coastal part is getting eroded by the wave action. Wave जो है ना, कैसे progressively the wave is coming in this way, another wave is coming in this, returning, and both of them they are crashing finally. Breaking of the wave is here, right? ये है. अभी देखते हैं another things. As I told you about this wave caught platform. मैंने आपको एक चीज बताया था wave cut platform का बात. ये देखिए wave cut platform, how it is a photograph. You can see this area of cliff. ये यहाँ पे एक cliff था. दिस क्लिफ वाज हेयर. ये क्लिफ अभी यहाँ पे आ गया, तो इतना एरिया अभी एरिया जो है ना रिसेशन हुआ है, मतलब इधर से इधर तक गया हुआ है. दिस इज लाइक क्लिफ इज द वेरी स्टीप स्लोपी रीजन हियर. दिस रीजन यू हैव वेरी स्टीप स्लोपी रीजन इज, ये है आपका क्लिफ. वेरी स्टीप स्लोपी रीजन इज हियर, क्लिफ हियर. सो द क्लिफ इन फैक्ट रिट्रेट हियर, रिसेशन ऐसे गया हुआ है क्लिफ. This is due to erosion also. Wave cut platform formation and this one. Wave cut platform I have already discussed. The development and wave cut platform I have already discussed. Let us look at now one more things here. One more. Look at here. This is the development of a spit I was talking about. कैसे होते हैं. Look at here. Whenever, देखो यहाँ पे, this wave moved in this way. ये wave गया अंदर, वापिस आ रहा है. another wave is from here, and gradually direction of the wave approaches in this way. Look at here, wave is approaching in this way. Some of these from here eroded material goes in this way, and ये जो differential movement है, मतलब यहाँ पे जो wave गया था, and there is wave is coming back with this, from this inside. They are also bringing some sediments. Both of them they will get deposited and they may form a spit here or a sandbar may be. ये इसे spit और बे माउथ पे, आपका बे का जो माउथ पे, we may have a sandbar or a spit in this case here. ये जो है ना, these are this type of landform development is very gradual with respect to gradual deposition, increase in the deposition of the sediments. I will explain it to you again, just wait. इसको अलग वे में explain करेंगे आगे. Look at here, in this case, is it visible? अगर नहीं visible है तो मैं बता देता हूँ आपको, ये बना के रुको. And this is from your G.C. Leong, we have taken this. You can get these things in G.C. Leong also. See here. This is the continental part. Okay. And here is the sea beach here. This is the continental part and sea beach, sorry. This is a bay. Here is an island. This bay and island are connected by a landmass here. This landmass is called as what? This is called as tombolo. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? TOMBOLO. This is the tombolo. Tombolo. What is tombolo? Tombolo is the narrow landmass connecting an island and the mainland. ये island है. This is an island. Here is the mainland. They are connected by a narrow landmass known as tombolo. You remember this. Please note down. What is a tombolo? One tombolo. Tombolo you must remember. What is a tombolo? Tombolo is a depositional one. Third one. Tombolo. Tombolo, a narrow, long landmass, depositional landmass or erosional, whatever is there, landmass, generally connect an island with the mainland. Okay? Narrow and long landmass generally connects an island with the mainland. Island with the mainland. Narrow and long landmass generally connects an island. And mainland. This is called as what? Called as tombolo. Tombolo. Okay, these are tombolo. Narrow and long landmass generally connects an island with the mainland is called as a tombolo. So tombolo you will have in this case, if this is the landmass here and here is an island here. This is an island. They are connected by a small, this type of landmass. This is a tombolo. Tombolo. Tombolo is here. Okay, this is a Tombolo. A mainland and island while they meet, this is called as a Tombolo. This is the ocean here. This is the ocean. Okay, Tombolo. And mainland and the island while they got. I hope it is clear to you. Now another point I would like to say, if it is clear, another point. If this is the mainland, okay, this is the mainland here, and this is the, here this side you have the ocean. Like from the ocean, this side you have different wave, ripples will go in this way, isn't it? Now the wave will approach here in this way, but here this wave goes up to this part. Again, after striking over these regions, and a wave will come in this way. Now this returning wave from this side also is coming in this way, and this is here is the wave which is going in this way. What happened here? Gradually the eroded material will come out from this coast. It is coming from this side. This side you have again material is going this the eroded material is coming in this way, and here this incoming this sea wave, it tried to take all these sediments back again. यहाँ से sediment इधर से ले रहा है, ये इधर से जा रहा है. So ये क्या होता है? Finally you will have a deposition like this. This type of deposition may takes place because of this type of wave action. We have deposition of sediments here. Sir, Sri Lanka an example of Tombolo. Now in that case, it is not clearly connected, so you cannot say Tombolo it is. Ram Setu we are talking about. Best example of Tombolo, you have, there are Tombolos in Caribbean island, we have Tombolos in Indonesia regions also. Does the ocean erode and deposit the material at the same location in situ? No. Erosion कैसे होगा? वो weathering में होता है. No. Tombolo example is Chilka Lake. No. Chilka Lake has Spit Bar Island. Depositional island है. वो hook जैसा बना है वो. That is. I will come to that one. We don't have any Tombolo in India here. Okay. Tombolo India में अभी कोई नहीं है ऐसे. Tombolo like features we can say some part of say रामेश्वरम के नीचे जो है that portion, but not Tombolo exactly. Look at here how this develop. This is here is ये क्या होगा? ये sandbar होगा यहाँ ऐसे. This type of sandbar formation you have here. Let me tell you here. Okay, just wait. देखो यहाँ पे. Is it clear to you? Here is Tombolo. ये देखो ये Tombolo है. This is the Tombolo here. Tidal inlet is there. ये जो है ना यहाँ पे बे बैरियर. सो आपका लेगून जो होता है, लेगून जब हो जाएगा पर वाटर विल बी देयर एट द मिडिल पार्ट एंड यू हैव got separated from the ocean here by island, Bay Barrier Island उसको बोलते हैं. So leave it here. Sea beach will be here, and this is like an example here. Barrier spit जो बोलता है. Spit is what? These are curved. These are spit are the curved sandbar. ये sandbar deposits यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं. Sandbar deposit is there in this case. Sandbar deposit. Let me show you one more and see here. Okay, I have already discussed earlier about this. क्रैक्स आर देयर, क्रैक्स में इरोजन होकर जल्दी ये क्या होगा, वी हैव डेवलपमेंट ऑफ व्हाट यू कॉल केव, केव आर फॉर्म, केव गॉट इरोडेड एंड केव, देखो आप gradually cave got eroded and this is the what I said stack stomp, a stack है, this one is stomp here, okay, stack and stomp, cave how collapse and it formed this, it is given here, okay. So sandbars के चलते हैं हम, देखो आप यहाँ पे it is clear here, longshore current मतलब parallel to the coast if current is there. Look at here, if parallel to this the deposit of sediment is there, it will have like current because of this, parallel to the coast we have deposit and there is formation of sandbar or barrier island, sandbar or barrier island. Best example of sandbar or the barrier island here is, इसका best example कौन सा है, best example of sandbar or the barrier island, best example of sandbar or the barrier island, it is our श्रीहरिकोटा. ऐसे होता है क्या, श्रीहरिकोटा in Andhra coast, Sriharikota. Sir, can Dalmatian coast connect through Tombolo? Rare cases are there. There are cases, rare cases. Greek coast में है. Okay. Rarest cases there. Tombolo is this. Bay will form like, you know, engulf like, you know, bay will have formation. Okay. Lagoon formation is there. Beach is nearby. So these are the things which is associated with the coastal area. आपको समझने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. I hope you people must have got the things. Okay. ये देखिए यहाँ. Here. सी वेव डिपोजिशन से सैंडबार कैसे बनी, कोस्टल लेगून कैसे बनी एंड टोम्बोलो हाउ इट वाज देयर, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टोम्बोलो यू हैव, बिकॉज ऑफ डिपोजिशन यू हैव टोम्बोलो फॉर्मेशन, सब्सिक्वेंटली टोम्बोलो फॉर्मेशन इन दिस रीजन बिकॉज ऑफ द डिपोजिशन ऑफ द सेडिमेंट्स एंड ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ दिस वेव को ये ब्लॉक कर रहा है, देख रहे हैं आप, एंड दिस इज डिपोजिशन ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स. ओके, सैंड स्पिट, ऑफशोर सैंडबार एंड दीज आर द डिपोजिट्स हियर. Okay, right, and this is what I have shown it to you and this is what I have already done. देखो आप सी स्टेक स्टॉम्प कैसे, ये देखो केव how it is going inside, resolution is okay. Look at the sea cave, natural bridge, यहाँ पे इधर है उधर टनल जैसा हो गया, ये कोलाप्स करके सी स्टेक हो गया, देन स्टॉम्प हो गया. दिस इज द बे एरिया हियर, sea beach is there, bay is there. Now अगर ये due to any cause, if there is like gradual deposition of sediments, it can be a sandbar. Sandbar अगर ये आगे बढ़ के ये कर दिया completely ये हो गया, then it can be a lagoon. This will develop into a lagoon because of the, this is the sandbar. Sandbar if deposited here, sandbar will deposit, then you have, maybe you have a lagoon here. Okay, so gradually ये develop करता है based on the shape of the coast and all these. Barrier island can be connected by Tombolo, yes, why not, जरूर हो पाएंगे. Bay mouth and spit difference. So spit, spit, hook and bay mouth, there are different things. Bay mouth जो होता है ना type of, bay का mouth यही है, bay mouth this is like, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आ गया ये सैंडबार हो जाएगा बे माउथ पे. स्पीट होगा तो अगर कर्व्ड होगा देन इट इज ए स्पीट. कर्व्ड यू नो डिपोजिशनल आइलैंड हियर आर नोन एज स्पीट. टोम्बोलो एग्जाम्पल इंडियन कोंकण कोस्टल प्लेन, रत्नागिरी सिटी, इज इट? I haven't been to Ratnagiri, but okay, I'll have to check it out. But so far as my knowledge goes, you know, these are erosional, not a depositional one. Okay, So this is here is an example of the coastal landform. I hope you got some idea about the coastal landform now. At least you have some idea now that what are coastal landform. Yes, कुछ तो पता चला आपको. Something you got it now. Let me now move on to this. I said this is a sandbar. This is a sandbar, and this can form here like ये एक bay है. This is a bay. This bay may finally, if it get because of continuous deposition, if it will be like gradually it will get closed, or a small inlet where there is small inlet with what you call small inlet where water can come. This is known as a lagoon. Lagoon. अगर पूरी तरह से चारों तरफ हो गया तो लेक हो जाएगा. It can be a lagoon here. Okay. So I am saying this is a lagoon. Lagoon are developed due to deposition of sediments here, sandbar sediments and all. Okay, these are here lagoon. This is the lagoon here. Now, sometimes what happen, a complex sandbar when it develop, let us say this is a coast here, this is the continental part, here there is development of a sandbar. यहाँ पे सैंडबार है ला, ये सैंडबार हो गया, डिपोजिशन ऑफ दिस लीड्स टू सैंडबार. बट लेट अस से here you have sandbar. Let us, there is deposition of sediments in a curved manner. This is a spit. Okay. Let us say another sandbar is here. With the sandbar there is complicated composite sandbar you are having like this. This is called as a hook. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Hook. Here is sandbar. Sandbar. You got it? The difference here. This is the water here. So, sandbar, these are deposition of sand parallel to the coast, sandbar. Then spit are curved sandbar generally attached to the coast. Okay. Hook, these are complex spit with complex shift developed due to complex spit developed due to convergence of more numbers of spit. When more number of spit they converge, they form this. Is it clear to all of you? तीनों का अलग अलग है. Sandbar, deposition of the sand parallel to the coast. Spit, curved sandbar generally attached to the coast. Hook is complex spit developed due to the convergence of more number of spit. Sir, all lagoons are lake, but all lakes are not lagoon. Lakes and lagoons are different, my dear. You remember, whenever any lake is connected with the sea by a narrow inlet, it is a lagoon. They are different terms. Erroneously, you are saying Chilka is a lake, but Chilka is a lagoon. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you how the coastal land develop. Sea beaches, they develop due to deposition of the sediments there. Sea beach would develop due to deposition of the sediments, right? Sedimentary deposits lead to sea beach formation of the sea beaches, right? Is it clear? So, let me take this question here. Was the area of deposition at sandbar, spit, hook was elevated before? No, not necessary. Why there only deposition of should take place? मैंने कहा आपको direction of the wind if it will change, direction of the wave it will change, and sea wave का direction और उधर से bouncing wave का direction अलग होता है, ऐसे आ जाएंगे. तो one is carrying here this side from the eroded material, another is coming in this side. So, it will block and deposition start hoga. Once deposition started, it will continue. Why there only deposition should take place? Because of the convergence of the wave. If it was elevated before, should not it get eroded? Why not? Yes. Can tombolo formed in delta area? Tombolo is any depositional or erosional landmass connecting to one island and one mainland. डेल्टा में अगर mainland को कनेक्ट कर रहा है टोम्बोलो हो जाएगा. Anywhere. I got lot of questions here. Let me take some of these. Wherever there is no river mouth and only one continental slope and ocean is touching each other, what kind of sediment will be present at the boundary? ये क्या क्वेश्चन है? This is terrestrial deposit होगा. Sir, GC Leong stake is also called a chimney rock. Please tell. Yes, why not? वो नाम है, अलग नाम दिए हैं. Difference between arc and cave. Cave is the cavity formation by this. Arc is completely tunnel formation. Natural arc and cave difference is only between extent of erosion. Cave में क्या है, केवल अंदर तक इरोज हुआ और आर्क में पूरी तरह से टनल जैसा बन जाएंगे. What is blow hole? Inside the cave क्या होता है? Inside the cave even, what happen here? There are sometimes because of wind action and more pressure, so जो soft rock है they got eroded and there is a tunnel shaped like a cylindrical blow hole develop. Let us see how it is. एक दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको एक cave में अंदर. Okay, just wait. If somewhere you have a cave, I will tell you. देखो यहाँ पे, here is a cave here, right? ये cave है. What will happen? Because of in this cave, the cave breaks through the headland and forming natural arc हो गया. ये cave में जो क्या होगा, ये अगर एक होल बन जाएगा इधर से इधर तक होल बन गया. Because of let us say more pressure, soft rock है, इसके अंदर soft rock है, and there are more and more pressure here from this. When the blowhole are they are generally developed from the cave itself because of the accumulation of more pressure inside. ज़्यादा प्रेशर अगर अंदर में रहता है, it is more pressure inside. मतलब air just देखो यहाँ पे एक cave है, while water goes like this, it is vacant. Now it's water rush. So we have air also is got impacted inside. Because of more air inside, because of more pressure, it will have like ऐसे चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे pressure देगा. This leads to, if this is the very soluble rock or let us say weak rock, it will get dissolved, and in a cylindrical way there is a possibility of a hole. A hole पूरा बाहर तक दिखाई देगा. This type of things are called as this type of things they are called as what? This is called as, आपने बताया अभी, what you call blow hole. This blow hole, यहाँ से क्या होता है, sound देता है. This blow hole, once the blow hole is there, it usually gives sound here. Okay, and sometimes even water में goes out also. यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर की वजह से वाटर भी अंदर से आ जाते हैं. ब्लो होल, whistling साउंड होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर which got trapped they goes off, that's why they are called as blow hole. Okay, okay. Sir, please share one-liner definition of various erosional landform discussed now. It would be very helpful. You got enough, I think, about each of them. If you are stumbling anywhere problem, let me know that. But आपको पूरा full detail में बताया हूँ. One-liner you can prepare on this. I think it is a very earlier question. मेरे को जो दिए हैं आप. Attempt a classification of geomorphic processes from the zonal point of view. What will be the answer for this? देखो कल next class में where question answer we have the zonal point of view mean in terms of different region. Okay, like you know in the arid regions wind will be there, aeolian. In the marine region, sea wave. Oh, the different regions have different things. That is what it is saying. Okay, these are the questions here I got. Lagoon and backwater difference. Lagoon are, you see that saline always. Backwater has both saline and fresh water. Both you are having. Now we will see that backwater formation. Just wait. क्या होते हैं? Look at here. I'll give you an example here. A river is draining lateral, lagoon है ये. A river is draining lateral say to this part. ये बहुत बड़ा रिवर है, पानी बहुत ज़्यादा जा रहा है यहाँ, ठीक है. सो फ्रेश वाटर होगा यहाँ. एंड मे वी हैव डिपोजिट ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स, ये सेडिमेंट का डिपोजिट होगा यहाँ पे. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर सेडिमेंट डिपोजिट्स विल हैव लाइक आइलैंड, लाइक ड्यूरिंग द हाई टाइड इट विल कवर्ड बाय द दिस सी वेव. ड्यूरिंग द लो टाइड द river plays an important role here. So there is changes in the salinity of water with respect to high and low tide. This type of coastal area where both fresh water and saline water meets, low lying area, these are generally they are called as backwater regions. Kerala में है हमारा backwater region, in Kerala you have. Okay, backwater can be here in this region. ये backwater हो सकता है यहाँ पे. As you have seen here, this can be a backwater here. ये region में backwater हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. So these are like things. Hope you got some idea about this. Does Coyals also form due to marine erosion? See, Coyals is backwater. Backwater is Coyals itself. The name is Coyals itself. Depositional होगा वो. Coyals can be a depositional one. Now tell me one thing, if it is clear. ये मेरीन जो है ना, मेरीन फॉर्मेशन का, यू गॉट इट, व्हाट आर द मेरीन लैंडफॉर्म. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू हैव ए ग्लैंस ओवर दिस. नाम याद करना है. आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट द वीडियो पार्ट, सो देयर आर सम ऑडियो रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, सो वीडियो आई एम नॉट शोइंग इट टुडे. टेक्निकली व्हेन इट विल बी फिट विल आई विल प्ले इट दैट वन. देयर आर, you know, I told you for a video, yes, I am ready. I have that video now, so we will play it with some technical difficulties there. We will do that. Okay, very important one is one should, whether you got the things or not. Most importantly, आपको ये समझ में आया जितना कहा मैंने? Is it clear? Only thing is for the preliminary exam you have to identify what type of landform is this. आपका सबसे important है, it is marine landform karst landform or aeolian landform or fluvial landform. I hope with all these things you will able to memorize all those names. ये थोड़ा factual है no doubt, but let me tell you, nobody is covering. You people are not, most of the people, the students are not properly getting the things. In many cases I have seen. So I tried to give you an idea. Do study. Hope you will able to get it. Here was a question, sir, how does backwater have fresh water? See that dominance of fresh water I said, not fresh water always. Okay. When we have more water from during the rainy season, dominance of fresh water you have. That is what seasonal variation is there. Now another point I will go for now. It's about another landform. I hope it is clear to all of you. आपको सब क्लियर हो गया ये. I tried my best to give you the difference between these. I hope you got it. Now I will move on to another landform known as the karst landform. What is that? K-A-R-S-T. Karst landform. Mostly these are the landform developed by the groundwater due to landforms developed by the groundwater due to groundwater in the limestone or chalk rich regions. Landforms developed by the groundwater in the limestone or chalk rich region are known as karst landform. They are called as the karst landform. Remember, the groundwater erosion, here the process mostly is in terms of solution. What is solution? Gradually dissolve. All the material get dissolved here. So we have here mostly karst landform formed due to what? Solution or chemical action. Please note down this point. Karst landform, in the karst landform region, the dominant geomorphic process is solution or corrosion. The dominant geomorphic process in the limestone rich karst topography region is what? The dominant geomorphic processes in the limestone rich karst topography region. Its solution or corrosion. Solution or corrosion. It is solution or corrosion. डिजल्व हो जाता है ना. केमिकल वेदरिंग, इफ यू रिमेंबर, there is chemical weathering and the chalk and limestone, they got dissolved with the chemical reaction. They are responsible for even chemical reaction. Okay, where you have development of this type of topography, I hope what are the conditions, can anyone tell me, what are the conditions for the development of this type of conditions for the development of कास्ट टोपोग्राफी? व्हाट विल बी द कंडीशन, क्या कंडीशन होगा कास्ट टोपोग्राफी के लिए? व्हाट आर द कंडीशन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कास्ट टोपोग्राफी? यस, क्या हो सकता है? फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग इज rock should be completely, there are lot of joints in the rock, joints or cracks, please note down. Conditions for the development of karst topography conditions for the development of karst landforms. What are the condition? First condition is thick deposits of limestone or chalk, etc. Second is presence of more joints and cracks, more joint and cracks, presence of more joint and cracks. Humid climate in limestone rich region, must be coral reef region. Okay. Under the ground there are many other minerals. By why limestone is being highlighted in the groundwater? Carbonation process. देखो आप क्यों है? Let us see why it is. We will look at what are the causes for this. Right? Groundwater circulation. Let me show you few slides on this. दो आपको दिखा मैंने. Let me now go for this some of the interesting thing. देखो ये. This is the karst area, KRST. See here, cave. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. These cracks are there. Cracks vertically, if you see there are cracks like porous. Cracks are there. देख रहे हैं. If there is no crack like this, water cannot percolate inside. Crack is essential first. So water can percolate inside and have carbonation, as you said, or any chemical weathering process will continue there because of this. First point is this, right? Okay, done. See, in a karst region, देखो यहाँ पे, you see this is a cave. A cave is shown here in this picture. Is it visible? Can you see this cave? See this cave and tell me how the cave were formed. How these caves are formed. Yes. You have, look at here, inside the cave what is there? Cave में पानी किधर से आएगा? From where जल, water will come from above because of cracks. Cracks is the most important thing. Look at here, as I have just given, let me show you few more things. देखो यहाँ पे, which all regions in the world has this? कुछ लोग बोल रहा है कि कहाँ मिलता है? These पिंक ये जो है ना कास्ट रीजन है, वॉट एवर इज देयर इन द वर्ल्ड यू हैव, दीज आर द रीजन वेयर यू हैव कास्ट, लाइमस्टोन रिच रीजन इन द वर्ल्ड, दिस पिंक कलर वन वर्ल्ड में। देखो मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन हैज मोर, यूगोस्लोविया, चेकोस्लोवाक इन दिस रीजन्स, टर्की, हियर यू हैव caste regions, these are of the world, caste region of the world it is. Okay, now let us look at few more things here. देखते हैं, this is a cave here, you see, this is a cave. I am showing you few good pictures here to have an idea about this. आप देखो ये cave को देखो, see this cave, ये ground water is going, then it is sinking inside, this ground water, surface water is sinking inside the cave. Now you see here in this cave, ये देखो tunnel type, here tunnel type here, the sinking up there and it's coming in this way like a tunnel, forming a huge cave here. It forms a huge cave in these regions here. You got it? Here it is forming a huge cave like formation here, and here you look at, this is the cave. आप देखो ये, this is black dark color, it is the cave here. Such a huge cave you have. This is developed because of solution. This is due to the carbonation, due to the chemical weathering and subsequent erosion. आप ये जो एरिया देख रहे हैं, and not only this, you see this cave, large cave terrace it is given, and water which was lost earlier, देखो यहाँ पे earlier this water was lost, ये पानी कहीं lost, ऊपर surface it was lost, here in a tunnel like it is coming somewhere else because of presence of a hard rock below. Lower part you have hard rock, upper part you have thick bedded your limestone. Araku Valley, Bora Cave, an example of castaway. Yes, yes, of course, thank you, very good example here, Araku Valley. Absolutely correct you are. Now, or Gupteshwar you can go, Gupteshwar in near Araku Valley in Odisha it is there, Araku Valley is in Andhra Pradesh, these two regions you have. देखो ये, this rock, here this rock is, this rock in these regions here, this is mostly hard impermeable rock below, but upper part you have permeable rock, it was, thick bedded, you have limestone is there, thickly bedded limestone. That's why the stream lost itself its surface runoffs got lost there and reappearing at the regions where you have hard rock. So another condition I will go for now, third condition, ये हमने दो condition दिया, thick deposits of limestone, chalk etc., presence of more joints and cracks, that we have said. Third point is presence of hard impermeable rock, at the base, नीचे जो है ना, at the base below, impermeable rock, if it is there, then the water which got percolates above, they got deposited. That's why groundwater again be stagnant at a part and it will react. क्या होगा देखिए आप, अगर ये थिकली बेडेड है, देखो यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ बना देता हूँ, लेट अस सी दिस हियर, it will be easy for you to get the things. Here let me prepare it. I said you should have thickly bedded, ये impermeable rock होना चाहिए. You should have the impermeable rock here, more impermeable rock. और ऊपर जो है ना, we have mostly permeable rock. In the upper part we have permeable rock here. Below you have impermeable rock and above you have the permeable rock. ये impermeable rock है नीचे में and permeable rock in the upper part. Okay. In that case what will happen? When there are cracks and all these, जब पानी आया ऊपर तो क्या होगा ये? when the water comes here, it will percolates inside, है ना, it will goes inside and get deposited here, and there is carbonation solution etc. This is the water sink here and goes down, and here you have groundwater. Here is it as the groundwater. Groundwater will get deposited here as groundwater here. Groundwater will be there. So this groundwater will gradually do what? This groundwater gradually will do what? This groundwater will gradually responsible for this type of कास्ट लैंडफॉर्म फॉर्मेशन, यहीं पे, ओके, कास्ट लैंडफॉर्म फॉर्मेशन, इसके बहुत जरूरी है. सो 3 कंडीशंस आई से: थिक डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ लाइमस्टोन, चॉक एसेट्रा, प्रेजेंस ऑफ मोर जॉइंट्स एंड क्रैक्स, प्रेजेंस ऑफ हार्ड impermeable rock at the base, and semi arid condition in the upper part, semi arid, so that whenever there is rainfall the water percolates below. Okay. Again I am saying, presence of hard impermeable rock at the base, I said, presence of hard impermeable rock at the base. So water get accumulated, and there is, like, in this case you have cavity formation from below. This will continue. Look at here, this is the cause here. Now आगे और देखते हैं what will happen. This is, you see, ये देख रहे हैं आप, tunnel like, and this is here, it is going down. ये cave you see here, how this cave is. This cave, from one side you have cave is like this. Cave are karst landform after erosion. See here, the entire thickly bedded karst area, ये इंडोनेशिया का है. This region share some area you have, like, completely a different type of landform it is giving. Sasunia Hill near Bankura, it is also an example. I was not aware, in fact, I got this information from my students from West Bengal. Okay, these are the things here associated with it. देखो ये karst landform. Karst landform here you will get. Jurassic Park, if you have seen movie, have you seen this particular scene? This is here, these regions. This is again in Southeast Asia. You have huge cavities, caves are there in Southeast Asia. You see here, these are regions. All these beautiful places which is developed because of the karst erosion. Karst erosion leads to this. But one thing, ये देखो, highly irregular surface also you will have in the upper part because of karst erosion. Highly irregular surface also it will form. Highly irregular surface also it will form. Okay. Karst erosion may leads to very highly irregular surface like this also. ये देख रहे हैं? So we have so many things. As I just have mentioned, we have like different things here. Presence of hard impermeable rock. So क्या होता है पहले देखते हैं. Let us see what will happen one by one if I will go for this. What are the landform it develop, how it develops and all. First is very irregular surface in the upper part it will develop. Very irregular surface because of the irregular surface developed due to solution. They are known as carene or lapis in the upper part. Let us say if this is the surface here, ये block एक है, let us say, okay. In this block what will happen, you look at here, small crack develops, मैंने कहा small crack develop here. Irregular surface will develop first, this type. Mausami cave in Meghalaya, yes, it is a karst. Yes, Meghalayan cave is a karst cave. Yes, absolutely correct, Hiva. Now, gradually, this will, ये देखा आपने, erosion होगा इसका, फिर again, this will be eroded like this can be like this here. This type they may form subsequently. ये अंदर इरोजन होके ये ऐसे आ जाएगा. First stage and second stage you see. Second stage will be like this. In the first stage, first stage it is, second after few years it will be like this. ये ऐसा था देखो, अब ऐसा हो जाएगा. See here how it was. It was like this. Gradually what will happen? ग्रेजुअली ये धीरे धीरे कटते जाएंगे. एंड यू हैव लाइक दिस, एंड these are known as pinnacles here, pinnacles, and these are known as cleft. अंदर जो है ना CLEFT, cleft. Cleft and pinnacle irregular surface will be there. Cleft and pinnacle with irregular surface. Okay, cleft and pinnacle, you will have the irregular surface. Cleft and pinnacle, irregular surface you will get. So, most important one feature you will have a irregular surface there, like this irregular surface. Then what will happen here? इसके बाद क्या होता है यहाँ पे? What exactly happen in this case is, like you know, can karst develop in Dalmatian coast? Why not? Anywhere it can develop if there is limestone. This is where irregularity is there. Then there is a possibility, you know, the waterman percolates inside somewhere. Waterman. So ये जो cleft था, cleft बड़े हो जाएंगे. क्या होगा फिर? Let us see here. What happens in large case? Mostly you will have a sinkhole. क्या है ये? Sinkhole. Sinkhole. Sinkhole will develop. First will be your sinkhole. Sinkhole will develop into a swallow hole. ये क्या बना था ये? Sinkhole. First one is sinkhole. Then you have development of swallow hole. Sinkhole. Sinkhole. sinkhole to have now, it is swallow hole. सिंक होल विल ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू स्वालो होल. पानी यहाँ पे सिंक करता है पहले, उसके बाद स्वालो होगा, स्वालो होल. देन देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ ए डेवलपमेंट ऑफ this type of topography. There is development of swallow hole, then you have sinkhole, swallow hole, doline. Doline. It is known as the doline. Doline to Ubala, and finally we have a very huge depression like this, POLGE, Polji. What I am saying is, with respect to time, a particular landscape changes from here to here, here to here, here to here, and from here to here. Gradually it will change. Gradually it will change with respect to time. Okay. A small hole became a ubhala, sinkhole became swallow hole, swallow became doline, doline में ubhala, ubhala polji. Polji are hundreds of kilometers, thousands of kilometers area it cover. Ubhala hundreds of kilometers, few kilometer doline. So this type of rainform, it is erosional landform, no doubt. Deposition भी होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा? Deposition also there somewhere, lower part you have deposition also there. I'll come to that one. So you have like this, over the surface they are collapsing of this and erosional. So one by one, sinkhole, then swallow hole to doline, doline to ubala. These are nothing but large basin. The extent of this one gradually increase with respect to depth also. Very small hole is their sinkhole. Larger one than this one is swallow hole, where water, surface water is swallowed there. Then you have doline, then ubhala, then polji. Let us see now what will happen. Now this is a polji huge area. We have development of a huge area of erosional area. You have like this, and you have in most of the cases you will find out these things in the state in your Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia. बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है यूगोस्लोविया में. You will find this in Yugoslavia mostly. Okay, mostly you will find it in Yugoslavia. So that's what I said. You can if Polji starts accumulating water, will it be karst topography? Come on, my dear. Here it is like karst topography itself we are saying. Polji itself is a karst topography. It is. Okay. आपको समझ में नहीं आया अभी तक? Okay, clear. Hope that you got it now. Gradually, a small hole became larger one, deeper one. Both area and depth increases. Aerial coverage and depth both increases here. Okay, now another way we will see. If there is a cave, और एक है देखते हैं. Let us say we have a hard rock here and comparatively soft rock in this region. So we have a formation of a cave here. Cave formation हुआ. This is a cave, let us say, side of a cave. अगर ये cave है, there will be small, as I said, cracks are there. So because of these cracks, what will happen? You have the diesel water with limestone will drip here. होगा कि नहीं होगा? Limestone reach diesel water, it will drip from the crack and they got deposited here. ये आके गिरेगा इधर डिपॉजिट होगा, ये आके गिरा इधर डिपॉजिट, ये है ना. दीज आर डिफरेंट नेम फॉर दिस. ओके, so they are known as stalagmite here. Stalagmite. Stalagmite. All these are stalagmite here. ये है आपका stalagmite. But the one which is hanging from above, tightly known as stalactite. Stalactite from above. Stalactite. 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 Stalactite and stalagmite. This is a stalactite here. If I will go for this, this is also a stalactite. ये भी क्या है? Stalactite है. Stalactite. While the stalactite and stalagmite both meets, दोनों जब मिल जाते हैं, stalactite from here धीरे धीरे ग्रो करेगा, stalagmite from below, stalagmite and stalactite, both them they meets. This is called as a cave pillar. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Cave pillar. Cave pillar. Cave pillar. Stalactite and stalagmite they meet to form the cave pillar here. Inside the cave you have cave pillar. There are a lot of cave pillar here. Underground water below is there. Formation of stalactite, stalagmite, joining of this and cave pillar formation. Stalactite, stalagmite and the cave pillar. Stalactite from above, stalagmite from below and cave pillar here in between. Hope it is clear to all of you. You have known as, this is known as the calcite period. Calcite, calcium rich na, calcite pillar, cave pillar known as calcite pillar. Calcite pillar also. Calcite pillar भी कहते हैं उसको. Calcite pillar. Can you see this? Calcite pillar. I hope it is clear. Let me now move on to one more region here in the cast. I'll go for one more things. See here. In case of this, can you see this carefully? सिंक होल बिकम स्वालो होल, बड़ा हो गया है, स्प्रिंग एक जा रहा है, पानी अंडरग्राउंड वाटर है, केव फॉर्मेशन इज देयर, नेचुरल ब्रिज लाइक एज आई हैव सेड अर्लियर, केव कैन हैव ए नेचुरल ब्रिज ऑल्सो. ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल डेवलप इन दीज रीजन्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सी हियर इन दिस केस वेयर इज द स्टैलेक्टाइट एंड स्टैलेग्माइट. ये देखिए स्टैलेक्टाइट, ड्रेपर्स मतलब पर्दा, पर्दा जैसा है, वेरी थीन आर नोन एज ड्रेपर्स कहते हैं. और ड्रेपेरी बहुत ही थीन जो होता है ना, पर्दा जैसे, ड्रेपर, DRAPER, ड्रेपर, ड्रेपर्स. फ्लो स्टोन जो होते हैं नीचे आके स्टोनी टाइप, रॉक टाइप जब डिपोजिट होता है, इसको बोलते हैं फ्लो स्टोन. फ्लो स्टोन नॉट नीडेड दिस वन. यू रिमेंबर स्टैलेग्माइट, स्टैलेक्टाइट, कॉलम, केव पिलर, ड्रेप स्टोन, ड्रेप स्टोन और ड्रेपर, DRAPERS, ड्रेपर्स जो है पर्दा जैसा होगा ना, थीन पर्दा लाइक, DRAPERS, ड्रेपर्स. दीज आर हियर, ड्रेपरी लिखा है ना, Drapers are there. These are good example here. Hope it is clear to all of you. Yes, done. Okay, let me see again. These are, if it is clear to you, now I will move on. Stalactite, stalagmite, cave pillar, and all you have, and these are the things associated with your regions. Clear? I hope it is clear. So, these are the karst landform which I was supposed to tell you. Okay. How to relate pinnacles and cleft with sinkhole and so on. My friends, wherever there is, first stage is formation of sinkhole. Sinkhole, lot of sinkhole you will have. Then the pinnacles maybe depends on the resistance and the quality of the soil. If you have less composition of the calcium or limestone, you will have resistance power will be more of the rock. So, maybe in that case you have mostly pinnacles like formation. Though alag hai, it depends on type of nature of the soil there. Okay, right? So, on that basis only. Here is one more I am getting. There is a Shivling in Amarnath temple in Jammu and Kashmir. Is that Shivling a type of karst topography? See, the cave is karst topography, but from above dripping of water is there, and subsequently you have ice formation is there. That is also there. Definitely, it is a same process is there here. Does karst only from erosional landform? No, depositional also, as you have seen, this is depositional one. Here depositional, column, flowstone, stalagmite. These are a depositional one, you will see all these are inside the cave. Each cleft and shallow hole same. Shallow hole cleft, see cleft became larger as shallow hole subsequently. Okay, cleft बड़े हो जाते हैं. Okay, so they gradually became larger one. और बड़े होते हैं. It depends on the quality of the composition of the soil there. Why only limestone calcium forms cave? Why not sodium cave or potassium cave? Sodium potassium also more reactive than calcium. It can, but calcium is the most common one. Are stalactite and stalagmite types of speleotherms? Yes. Okay. Drapers mean parda. If thin, if it is in a column like, it is called as stalactite. If it is like a thin sheet like, this is called as a drapers. Sir, is there any economic value of this stone like calcite, pillar, stalagmite, stalactite? See, the mining is very costly and you will not go, don't go for this, but it is a pure calcium definitely. It has value, but we are not allowing this because it will collapse, the entire system will collapse. So, tourism is the only economic value. What are economic importance of karst region? Tourism, cave, dark tourism or cave. How differentiate sinkhole and shallow hole? In terms of size, sinkhole small, here sinking of the stream or the small stream is there. It can be fill up sometimes also. कभी-कभी fill भी हो जाते हैं. But shallow hole, it completely take away all the water. A nature internal connection is there. Sinkhole and shallow hole, they are highly connected. I hope you got some idea about the landform now. Yes? कुछ तो समझ में आया? I am sure that you got some idea about different type of landform. Now at least you are in a way that okay, will you be able to recognize landform by different types of processes? Yes or no? सीधे बोलो. इतना मेहनत किया है. If you got it, then I will feel very happy. If not, then again I have to repeat. It's so I have to give again efforts for you people. Tell me, are you comfortable with this, whatever we discussed? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Done? Thank you. So most of you said, all of you said yes till now. If you have any problem, text me. I have given my number also to you people if required. If you feel like, जब दुखी होगा ना, अपना दुख दे दो मुझे, क्या है परेशानी बताओ. Believe me, such an interesting part this geography is. I did studied and I know it's very interesting, provided you get the concept, like it is not about what is where, it is about how and why. Sir, how much time it takes to form a calcite pillar or cave pillar? My friend, when two inside the cave, whenever the drapestone or what you call it, stalactite and stalagmite, both they come approach it, it depends on the height of the supply of the material to the cave and all these things. But one thing, अपना घर में सीलिंग होगा, पीओपी लगाया होगा, कभी क्रैक है, पानी आता है तो क्या होता है, ड्रिपिंग होता है ना, दैट इज द थिंग्स. इफ देयर इज विंड इट इज ड्राई वेरी क्विकली, थोड़ा सा अगर हवा चलता है तो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस ऑल्सो. Attempt a classification of geometry process from the zonal point of view. My friend, you are asking again these questions. Okay, दुखी है, चलो ठीक है. My friend, for this what do you mean by zone? Zonal point of view mean regional point of view. What region? Climatic region. Which zone? Equatorial zone, tropical zone, temperate zone, polar zone. Got it? Now this is one with respect to climatic zones. Second one, in another perspective, geoclimatic zone. Geoclimatic, marine zone, desert zone, karst rich zone. So indirectly it is talking about in the fluvial humid zone. Humid zone, what is there? Fluvial, flow of water is there more. So in that case, flow of water, what are the processes there? Cavitation, hydraulic action, abrasion, attrition, you know about this, बोला था ना flow. Then coming to the arid area, I will have a discussion again, okay, एक format मैं दे दूंगा, don't worry on this, I will give a format to this, okay, don't worry. First you try and let me train, let me see some of your answers on this, please. कुछ आंसर आप लिख के भी दिए. I'll definitely I'll go for this, as you have twice you have asked. I'll answer to this one. मतलब I'll give in a bullet points, I'll give you certain things on this, what is there. But essence of this one is on every region what type of processes involve here. In the desert region, what is there? Deflation, saltation, abrasion, sandblasting. यही है ना? These are the most dominant geomorphic processes. So on that, what is there? You have to write it on this. But word limit may be beyond the prescribed limit. Is it in the GS or optional? Where you got this question? For GS, they are not going to ask you this question. UPSC, I am saying about the UPSC, zonal soil classification can be asked. If it is there anywhere, must have given in the, tell me the word limit of this. Sir, if karst landforms get modified due to wind or water, does it get changed to fluvial landform? Yes. That is, karst landform can modify into aeolian one. That is aeolian karst landform, we can say. If it is because of water, karst fluvial, it can have like, ये होते हैं. In the optional, why this is GS class, my dear. Optional में पूछ रहा है आप. You can ask me separately, okay. In the optional, there is another one. Zonal classification of processes is different. There you have biogeography question. This is okay. Sir, doesn't the dipped material flow or washed out by the water instantly? No, my dear. It takes time. आप देखो ना, इतना सफिशिएंट पानी नहीं होता है बहुत जगह पे. This much of water, sufficient water will not get every time, and these are like wind tunnel like, so immediately dried up also for that region. Okay. So this is here. Thank you so much, sir, for explaining so nicely and clearing all our question always regards. Thank you. In fact, you know what happened, you people are participating well, and I really like this thing that you people are participating with wholehearted interest and you are studying. Your level of questions and all this reflect one thing, that you people are studying, most of you are studying. I don't know, I cannot say 100%, but आप लोग पढ़ाई करते हो, that is a great thing. Go ahead with this, and believe me, such an initiative by the state government, I really appreciate, I really salute. I mean, this type of efforts no other state has yet given. I know some of the state has tried, but here it is very unique, I can say, this program. I request all of you, please do study, give some result. हमें result चाहिए. Accountability is always there for everybody. This is an effort by the government. Let us make this program successful, and let us make proud, particularly, you know, Bengal should get the first rank in UPSC. We want that. हमें एक नंबर रैंक चाहिए, अच्छा रिजल्ट चाहिए. Your participation is very much needed. We are here to give 100% for you people, my dear. I am giving this commitment on behalf of KSG. We are always with you, will be there. आप देखिए, जो प्रॉब्लम है बताओ. We people are always with you. Let us make it very successful and extraordinary one, an outstanding one. And your program should be a role model for others. Let us do it. Let us participate. And if you will convey it properly, if you will give your best, believe me, you can do wonder. We are ready to give you whatever possible material required, whatever assistance you require, tell us. Thank you. Doesn't the dipped material flow now? No, not at all. So I said based on the climate. So let us now move on to one more important point, most important topic, another one. This is about rejuvenated landform. Rejuvenated landform. Rejuvenated landform. What in by this rejuvenated landform? क्या होता है ये? I'll do one thing. मैं एक काम करता हूँ ना, मैं थोड़ा कलर कर देता हूँ ये, हैं? कल फिर और यंग लग जाऊंगा. I'll rejuvenate myself. Appearance में कुछ हो ना हो. Rejuvenate. इससे पहले वाला स्टेज को आना. In case of erosion, what happened? Landform development. I told you earlier, if you remember, during the erosion from the upper, which is a mountainous region, got eroded, and finally it forms a plain known as a peneplain. The entire time it takes for this is known as a cycle. You remember that? Now, look at here. I have earlier drawn this, if you remember. This diagram I have drawn earlier. You remember that? इफ आई टेक द वैली फ्लोर हियर, मैं अगर यहां से वैली फ्लोर को अगर लेता हूं, देखिए आप, एंटायर साइकिल को, if I'll take the entire cycle, I said the entire time frame and a particular plane area got uplifted and then it got eroded. Erosion leads to gradually eroded, erosion takes place and finally plane form of original which has uplifted land, like same plane it will form. The entire time is a cycle. Let us say this landform got uplifted here up to this height and then got eroded. ये अपर समिट लेवल, लोअर समिट लेवल. आपको पता है एक वैली में, एक अगर वैली है ये, इसको बोलते हैं अपर समिट लेवल, ये हो गया आपका लोअर समिट लेवल. ओके, अपर समिट लेवल इट रिवर वैली फ्लोर बोलेंगे जिसको, और यू कैन से इट इज वैली फ्लोर. दिस इज नोन एज द वैली फ्लोर. फ्लोर ऑफ ए रिवर वैली. Valley floor and upper summit level you have. Upper summit level average condition ये वाला है, upper summit level, and this is valley floor, VF valley floor. This is the valley floor. Average valley floor is there. Valley floor. Upper summit level valley floor देखो यहाँ से पूरा खत्म हो गया, पूरी तरह से पेनीप्लेन आ गया. पेनीप्लेन and monadnock where you have. If you remember, I said about peneplain. And monadnock also I said. So they are developed here in this case finally. So entire time जो है ना ये आ गया. यूथफुल स्टेज में क्या होता है, मैंने कहा था आपको, इन द अपर स्टेज बोला था ना, जो अपर कोर्स में, दैट इज यूथफुल स्टेज. मिडिल कोर्स दैट इज मैच्योर स्टेज. द लोअर कोर्स usually their erosion will be there, like if you consider only erosion, that is the old stage. Now what happened here? In the youthful, in the mature stage, as you know, the river forms what? Meander. Meandering start होता है. ऑक्स बोल रहे कि in the old stage, but middle stage से meandering start होता है. Already valley widening is there, valley deepening is there. Now due to any cause, if you will regain the old stage again, this is called as what? Which is called as rejuvenation. देखो आप ये, regaining the prior stage is rejuvenation. मैंने कहा regaining of the prior stage. Okay, what is rejuvenation? Note down. Rejuvenation represents the attainment of previous stage in an erosion cycle. Erosion cycle, that is क्या होगा? That is after valley deepening. Here youthful stage में क्या होता है? youth में valley deepening, here valley widening, here only transportation and deposition you are having. Now what happened here in this case? In mature stage, that is, if a river is at mature stage, if a river is at its mature stage, it will regain its previous youth stage, youthful stage again, एक बार और वो यूथफुल स्टेज पे आएगा. दिस इज रिजुवेनेशन. इफ ए रिवर इज एट इट्स मैच्योर्ड स्टेज, इट विल रिगेन इट्स प्रीवियस यूथफुल स्टेज अगेन. दैट इज रिजुवेनेशन. तो ऑलरेडी एक वैली बन चुका है, मैंने आपको कहा था ना. उसको अभी एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. लेट अस लुक एट दैट. लेट अस लुक एट दैट. एक लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल. वी कैन सी दिस. यस, we know that river will have a V-shaped valley here. But yes, this river if you will have this is youthful stage, this is youth stage, this is mature stage, and in the old stage it will be like this. This is old stage, है ना. I have already drawn this. ए वैली का क्रॉस सेक्शन लेके तीनों स्टेज होगा. So now it is in the mature stage and it got rejuvenate. In the mature stage it got rejuvenated, then again it will have a such type of valley deepening will be there. होगा कि नहीं यहाँ, फिर valley deepening होगा. So this is what is called as the, now this same will be like this. अब ये कैसा होगा देखो, ऐसे होते हुए ऐसे बनेंगे. This yellow color is the rejuvenated land. समझ में आया. दिस इज रिजुवेनेटेड, ऐसे हो जाएगा. देखो आप, रिजुवेनेटेड विल बी दिस, ओरिजिनल विल बी लाइक दिस, रिजुवेनेटेड इज लाइक दिस. सी द डिफरेंस हियर. लैंडफॉर्म विल हैव चेंज इन देयर, ग्रेजुअली लैंडफॉर्म विल चेंज, it will change. I hope you got it now. I hope you got it now. Okay, got it. यूथफुल स्टेज मैच्योर, आप मैच्योर में था, यूथ को आ गया. सो दिस इज रिजुवेनेशन. नाउ यू लुक एट हियर, ये तो समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ यू सी हियर, देखो आइडियलाइज ग्रेडेड रिवर, मतलब एक रिवर का यूथफुल स्टेज आ गया था. देखो सी लेवल वाज हियर. नाउ ड्यू टू चेंज इन द सी लेवल नीचे चला गया. अगेन इरोजन विल बी मोर. हियर इज यूथफुल स्टेज से, ये मैच्योर स्टेज में था, अब यूथफुल स्टेज फिर आ गया. इट वाज अर्लियर इन मैच्योर स्टेज, नाउ इट इज इन यूथफुल स्टेज अगेन. अगेन इरोजन विल बी देयर, अगेन इरोजन विल बी देयर. इन अदर केस इफ आई विल गो फॉर दिस रिजुवेनेशन, आप देखो ना इस पे टेरेस को देखो, ये दिस इज इन योर सम ऑफ योर जीसी लॉन्ग इट इज गिवन. यू कैन सी दैट इन योर जीसी लॉन्ग इटसेल्फ. देखो पहला ये था, फर्स्ट इट वाज लाइक दिस. सी हियर, दिस वैली वाज लाइक दिस. अपलिपमेंट हुआ, इरोजन होके ये ऐसा आ गया, पहला अपलिपमेंट. फिर एक बार अपलिपमेंट हुआ, फिर हुआ देखो सेकंड, थर्ड वाला भी हुआ है. देखो ये चैनल इज लाइक दिस. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ यू नो, दिस इज रिवर टेरेसेस, RT, रिवर टेरेस. ये भी टेरेस है, देखो रिवर टेरेस. यू हैव one by one you will have development like this. You want first slide? Which one? This slide. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you prepare this. This is very important. Rejuvenation means regaining the earlier stage here. Regaining the earlier stage is rejuvenation. And these points are called as nick points here. ये जो point है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको बोलते हैं KNICK, निक पॉइंट, एंड दिस वन इज नोन एज रिवर टेरेस। ये रिवर टेरेस है, इट इज रिवर टेरेस। दिस इज ऑल्सो द निक पॉइंट। निक पॉइंट आर बोथ आर निक पॉइंट हियर। ये भी निक पॉइंट है और ये भी निक पॉइंट है। Is it clear to all of you? Rejuvenated landform is clear to you? Is the rejuvenated landform clear to you? Friends, you remember, once you got this, let me tell you, this rejuvenated landform is before completion of one cycle if this is got disturbances due to change in the base level. So, note down here, before completion of one cycle of erosion, if there is a disturbances in its base level, then rejuvenation occurs। तभी रिजुवेनेशन होता है बिफोर कंप्लीशन ऑफ one cycle of erosion। If there is a disturbances in its base level, then rejuvenation occurs। Base level disturbances is due to change in sea level। Disturbances in base level due to what? Due to number one, change in sea level, up warping or down warping, up warping or down warping of continent। दो चीज हो सकता है, इधर ए कॉन्टिनेंट ऊपर चला गया नीचे चला गया, या चेंज इन द सी लेवल ड्यू टू एनी कॉज, ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज भी हो सकता है। ओके टेक द फोटोग्राफ्स प्लीज। स्लाइड जो है ना मैं बहुत ट्राई किया, इनफैक्ट ये फॉर्मेटिंग नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैवंट गिवन, बट आई हैव स्टोर्ड इट। इफ वी एबल टू डू, आई हैव टोल्ड द देयर इज ए आई नो वी आर डेवलपिंग दिस, इफ इट इज पॉसिबल आई विल गिव ऑल दोस। ठीक है, मैं स्टोर करके रखा हूँ, मेरे पास है ऑल दिस, वॉट एवर आई एम टीचिंग एवरीथिंग इज देयर, आई हैव सेव्ड एवरीथिंग। आई विल ट्राई, बट आई एम नॉट प्रोमिसिंग नाउ बिकॉज अनेबल टू सेंड इट। हाँ, फाइल थोड़ा हेवी हो रहा है, दूसरा है कि फॉर्मेट चेंज हो जाता है, दैट इज द कॉज, बट आई एम हैविंग दैट। ओके, सो you got it now? Change in sea level, up warping or down warping. I hope it is clear. Is rejuvenation possible in old stage of a river? अगर old stage में होता है तो क्या होगा वो? और एक साइकिल स्टार्ट होगा ना, पॉलीसाइक्लिक हो जाएगा, लैंडफॉर्म इज पॉलीसाइक्लिक, मोर देन वन साइकिल हो जाएगा। ओल्ड के बाद कौन सा स्टेज है? कोई स्टेज नहीं है। आफ्टर ओल्ड स्टेज अगेन यंग, मतलब पॉलीसाइक्लिक। वन साइकिल यू हैव कंप्लीटेड, सेकंड साइकिल यू विल डू। बिफोर कंप्लीशन ऑफ वन साइकिल मीन रिजुविनेटेड। क्लियर है? I hope it is clear to you. Again I am coming to that slide which you are talking about. Let us look at the slide again. इस स्लाइड को फिर देखते हैं। देखिए आप, दिस स्लाइड, द रिवर इज हियर, ए बी सी। पहला है रिवर, देखो ए रिवर, अनपेयर्ड रिवर टेरेसेस, पेयर्ड रिवर टेरेसेस। ए में पेयर्ड रिवर टेरेसेस है, बी में अनपेयर्ड है। रेजिस्टेंट रॉक है, ये अल्टरनेट बैंड में है, तो कैसा होगा ये? आप एक काम करो ना, इसको एक फोटो, यू टेक ए फोटोग्राफ ऑफ दिस, ओके। स्ट्रक्चरल बेंच, एसबी मीन स्ट्रक्चरल बेंच, मतलब दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चरल बेंच हियर मीन्स व्हाट? द रेजिस्टेंट रॉक व्हिच यू हैव बेस्ड ऑन दिस टेरेसेस आर डेवलप्ड। Is it there? Please take a click this one. You'll find out. Okay. So this is all about your landform related things. I request you all to now give questions, please. Please give me questions. And now look at previous year questions, whatever you have. आज 2 days you have now off, is not it? So 2 days you are getting all the questions whatever you got earlier. जितना है question, prelim and mains both you see. We'll have a discussion of the answer, question answer on Monday. Few of the things I'll discuss. So जो नहीं होता है बताओ मुझे. I'll give you answer for all those things whatever needed. One question you must try for that is related with the development of how change in the sea level. आप देखो change in the sea level कैसे होता है, देखो चेंज इन सी लेवल देखो कैसे इफेक्ट करता है, देख रहे हैं आप। दिस वन, टेक ए फोटोग्राफ ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो। रब गेम्स बाई का है ये, आप एक दे सकते हो, यू कैन टेक दिस। यू कैन टेक दिस। हाईएस्ट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वाज देयर, इक्विलिब्रियम यहाँ हो रहा था। Now erosion was no more erosion here. You see in this part, you can see there is no more erosion here. Now same part, अभी ये same part था, अभी erosion होगा कि नहीं? Because जब base level change up to this part, so erosion will be more of this entire, ये पूरे erosion होगा अभी और that is what it is saying. Rejuvenation can occur in any river if there is tectonic disturbances or there is change in the sea level. Change in the sea level or tectonic disturbances may lead to this. Okay, change in the sea level or tectonic disturbances can lead to this. Does the river call as antecedent river after rejuvenation? Why not? Hey, mains optional paper, don't ask me about geography optional here in the GS class, okay? You can ask me personally on that. You look at the previous year question. This is not optional class, okay? Rejuvenation is due both endogenetic and exogenetic process or only due to endogenetic process? Both. Exogenetic is there, no doubt. Endogenetic process क्या है? More evaporation, change in the base level because construction of dam, or you take away the water from a particular lake. Anthropogenic also there. Change in the sea level due to this, change in the water level of a region, base level changes के ऊपर depend करता है, that's why both factors are responsible. Clear है? Hope it is clear to all of you. Any other question please? Okay, let me now take your question with this. In fact, completion of your discussion here, you can take the photograph as I said and see this. Question here is, sir, if anywhere is erosion, then somewhere should be deposition. Then how the sea level will change? Sea level will change बिकॉज ऑफ एज यू नो प्रेशर डिफरेंसेस, हमने एटमोस्फेयर पढ़ा नहीं अभी तक, ओशन हाइड्रोस्फीयर, ओशनोग्राफी वी हैवंट स्टडीड, विल सी दैट sea level changes due to various causes. Somewhere there is upliftment of the sea surface itself upward, somewhere it is going downward. मैंने कहा आपको गुजरात is the Dwarka region of Gujarat is sinking, the sun temple in Odisha is rising up. Good example here. Androgenic disturbances is there. Look at the sea level has been changed. सी लेवल चेंज हुआ है ना, ऐसे सी लेवल चेंज हुआ है हमारा. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन सी. सुंदरबन इज ग्रेजुअली सबमर्जिंग सम पार्ट ऑफ सुंदरबन डेल्टा. सो दिस इज व्हाट सी लेवल चेंज. ओके. इन व्हिच ऑल इरोजनल एंड डिपोजिशनल लैंडफॉर्म वेयर इज स्कोप ऑफ रिजुवेनेशन. My friend, I hope you haven't got again. Erosional landform already formed a youthful stage, then again rejuvenated. Rejuvenate होगा क्या होगा? Neak Point, Padded River Terrace, these are rejuvenated landforms. These are rejuvenated landform. This is Padded River Terrace, Padded River Terrace, pair of river terrace, river terrace, river terrace. This is a rejuvenated landform. Neak Point, I told you, these are Neak Point. Here is a Neak Point, Neak Point. Neak Point are what? These Neak points are paired river terrace rejuvenated. Neak points, you will not get it everywhere. That's why there is specific landform here. Okay. There is a scope of rejuvenation always. Sir, government is focusing on Atal Bhujal Yojana in view of caste topography, geography. What are the merits and demerits of this? See, Atal, before going for any such type of project, you know, we are taking environmental studies also, environmental geohydrological aspect. Based on that we are going. कोई भी department ऐसे नहीं देगा. If we will create Bedouin zone, मतलब if you will drag more water, like in Delhi what happened, frequency of earthquake in some region is increased because of the creation of Bedouin zone. Mean the groundwater table from which water you have taken, that's why there is a gap and it is collapsing. So likewise in the karst region also, there will be like, you know, if you take away water, you will have problem. Collapsing of the strata is possible. So we need to look at that, where exactly it is. Okay. In view of karst topography, what are the merits and demerits of this? Merits, because they will get, you will get water there. Merit is due to, in fact, based on what? We always give all these things, you know, these projects or these plan and policy we usually take with proper survey and proper analysis only. So merit is more. Demerits definitely, if you are faulty irrigation may leads to problem like salinization, may have some lot of problem are there. Problem irrigation will come out. So we will take it in agriculture part. So a broader perspective will get. For geomorphic projection view, creation of the more depletion of groundwater may leads to Bedouin zone creation. It will create non-unsustainability of that region. Okay. अगर बारिश होता है, चार्ज होता है तो सही है, नहीं तो ठीक नहीं रहेगा. So climate wise it will differ. So rejuvenation takes place only mature level. It can be in the late youth stage, it can be in the early old stage also. What is value of valley? This is what is valley within a valley. Terraces है ना, valley within a valley. आपको जो अभी बताया मैंने, ये क्या है? वैली के अंदर एक वैली हो रहा है. Here what is happening? ये वैली के अंदर एक वैली था, वैली के अंदर एक वैली है. This is what is valley within valley topography. In how many days to answer the previous year question? अरे 2 दिन है, you have 2 days only. All the previous year questions you have to do. Saturday, Sunday you got. Do it. Tomorrow all prelim, day after tomorrow mains. Complete करो सबको. All the questions you see, let me know. Actual landmass due to erosion and deposition that should be on earth, and even that is like a cycle also. So how the sea level will change? Maybe the area covered by the sea level that cannot be differ. So sea level how can it change? My dear, are you I think आप जो है ना थोड़ा लयर का पर्सपेक्टिव में देख रहा है, थोड़ा सा देखो. Just see, think about this. You have written this. Again you think about this. Whatever you have written, you will find out the answer. आपने आंसर भी दिया है यहाँ देखो, यू हैव रिटन लैंड मास ड्यू टू इरोजन एंड डिपोजिशन दैट शुड बी ऑन अर्थ, ठीक है, एंड इवन दैट इज लाइक ए साइकिल ऑल्सो शो हाउ द सी लेवल विल चेंज इन ए temporal basis. The change in the landform is in a temporal basis. Maybe the area covered by the sea level that can be differ. So sea level how it can it changed? Because आप बताओ एरिया डिफर करेगा, जो आप जो बोल रहा है सी लेवल ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा, yes or no? Check out. If a river formed from a particular mountain, is that river from V-shaped valley on that mountain during its course? First, it will have a small channel with the gradient, you have V-shaped valley definitely, or between two mountains the valley form, between two mountains also well it will, wherever it flow it will form V-shaped valley. I-shaped valley will form wherever resistant rock is there, valley deepening ज़्यादा होगा तो I-shaped valley or gorge it will form. There are different things on this. Okay, different things you will get based on this. Got it? Any other question you have? My friends, again I am repeating, as you have given the questions are actually landmass due to erosion and deposition that should be on the earth. So what? Erosion ज़्यादा हुआ अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर, डिपोजिशन अगर और द इरोडेड मेटेरियल गॉट डिपोजिटेड इनसाइड द ओशियन, सो ओशियन का सी लेवल चेंज होगा कि नहीं? ओके, दैट इज व्हाट मोर सेडिमेंटेशन, इनफिलिंग ऑफ द सी. फ्लडिंग क्यों होता है हमारा एक रिवर में? बिकॉज ऑफ सिल्टेशन. अरे हल्दिया में why frequency of flood is more in Haldi river? Sedimentation. Mean sea level for how many years you are taking? Mean sea level also varies. Okay, वो स्टैंडर्ड जो है वेरी करता है विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, वेरी करता है ये, बिकॉज ऑफ एवरेज इफ यू आर टेकिंग अबाउट लो एंड हाई टाइड, दैट्स व्हाई मीन सी लेवल चेंजेस. Does it change? Yes, despite the fact that half of the India lies outside the Tropic of Cancer, India is called tropical country. Why is it so? My friend, look at the insularity of India. मतलब water influence of the marine influence is more in India. That is the cause. So temperature is tropical condition here. Temperature is more. Average temperature is more because of the location of peninsularity of India. That is the cause. Okay. What is egg desert? नहीं, अर्ग डेजर्ट है, ERG. You have you studied that G.C. Leung book? G.C. Leung पढ़ाई किया कि नहीं आपने? बताओ. Hi, somebody is asking what is egg? Egg नहीं, अर्ग है ये. ERG. Can you see that? अर्ग, ray and हाँ. Have you seen that? आपने डेजर्ट को डेजर्ट का लैंडफॉर्म पढ़ा ना? इन द डेजर्ट लैंडफॉर्म हैव यू स्टडीड दिस? एनीवन? एरिड रीजन्स और गर सैंडी डेजर्ट होता है. ओके, और गर सैंडी डेजर्ट्स आर कॉल्ड एज ERG. ओके, you got it? Any other things? Please go ahead with the question if you have. Please जल्दी बनाइए, क्वेश्चन दीजिए. Any question? what is here is what is helictite? Helictite is also speleotherm, like you know आपको जो बताया था ऊपर से जो ना ग्रेविटी का रोल कम रहता है, तो like you know you can search it, image you will get it. Helictite पे there is like branching of the stalactite and stalagmite, branching होता है helictite. If Tropic of Cancer pass through one region and if we compare another region through which the Tropic of Capricorn is passing, will there be any similarity in its climate? Yes, mirror image of climate, mirror image of climate, same climatic order है होगा. You keep a mirror, उल्टा जैसे होगा, same sequence. How erosion influence isostasis? You know, iso mean equal, stasis mean standing, equal standing of everything. If the erosion of one particular part takes place, here deposition, it will sink down and the eroded part will be lighter one, so it will move up. So there will be imbalances, and this may leads to earthquake or stress and strain in the crust. Okay, so it is okay, fine. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to answer all your questions. Please do study, do look at the question papers. If you have any problem, let me know. If you are not able to do any other things, I will repeat that topic if required. I will go for that. मेरा कोई परेशानी है बताइए, so that I can go for, unless and until you will feel comfortable, we will see that. So I request you all to study and give whatever problem you are having anywhere. Okay, so God bless you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you then next class. Okay, as per your schedule. Thank you very much. Bye bye.